What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad you're tuning in. So in the title you can see that it's another car show, and let's go ahead and check it out. It's kind of cold outside, so I'm all bundled up, but let's go see who showed up to this car show. All right, guys. All right, guys, so we're here at the meet. Of course, I got to show mine off first. There's a really nice Z06 C6 here that parked right next to me, and there's the whip right there, guys, looking real good. So like I said, I'm gonna start off first there. Guys, check out this 350Z. Look, it's missing the front bumper, but you can see the twin air intakes there. That looks freaking cool. I mean, look at that. All right, guys, I couldn't help but spot this GT500, the brand new ones. And then right next to it, Shelby GT350. All right, guys, and this really clean 392. I think it's a Scat Pack Challenger came up. Tinted out windows, carbon fiber, dropped. This thing's sick. All right, guys, and then you got your Camaro, Subaru WRX, another GT. All right, guys, and you got, your classic here. Looks pretty clean. And then a Stingray over there. Got another nice Charger here. It's got the wide body on it. Slammed Honda. This yellow Z06 really caught my eye, guys. You know me, I love Corvettes. But man, look at the hood. Ooh, we got a nice GTR coming in. Looks clean. I like the wrap on this ZL1. Pretty cool looking wrap on there. And you got one of your classic older Stingray. Pretty clean looking here. And with the engine. Boris on it. Blue RCF Lexus, look just like yours. And then we got a couple of the new Supras. Like the wing on the back and the wheels. Tennessee plates. The Sup Sam. I like those two. Those are nice. Look at that doggy. Nice 5.0. Hellcat Challenger, and then a Hellcat Durango. That's cool. And then right behind it, really nice black Grand Sport C7 right there, making its way. Coming to the light. Coming to the light. Yeah, I really like that one. Oh, guys, look at this Fox body with the fat tires in the back, the parachute. My goodness, this thing's crazy. I guess we got to see under the hood. Wow, that thing's huge. Look at that, interesting. You see the turbo? That's very cool. Fox body. And you got your Porsche. Pretty cool with the carbon fiber hood. And you got your Dodge Viper SRT10. I like the red, of course, because y'all know me. I like the red. And you got your 5.0 big Whipple on the top, ready to go. Got your nice BMW. Whole bunch of cars here, guys. All different types. Everything's here, basically. Let's just keep going down the line a little bit. Another 5.0 hood off. Oh, look at the puppy. Oh, I like this C6 right here. Got huge tires in the back, tuned by Lethal Performance. That was a Grand Sport. Wow, look at the hood. That's crazy.
I did too.
Alright guys, I found a C7 Z06 red. Almost looks like mine, just the supercharged Z06 version. I think it's really clean. Oh my gosh, wish I had one of these. Got a couple of Skylines here. Oh, I like this 2-valve GT Kenny Bell blower on top. Look at that, guys. Shoot, you think you pull next to this guy, you'll be like, I got him. But yeah, you don't know he's running a big blower underneath. You're gonna be for a big surprise. You got the Supra here, and then you got your row of, you know, off-road vehicles on this side over here, and then on this side, again, bunch of trucks, lifted trucks on this row here. You can see that's pretty clean right there. I like the yellow one over there too. Oh, that Challenger's really clean there. Pretty nice Porsche. And then right around the corner, this clean one right here. Oh look, more puppies. Six ZR1 and a Z06. What is this, guys? Interesting, very interesting. The Pixar truck Pizza Planet. Like, I see Woody in there. That's hilarious. Guys, look at this 3000 GT. This is nice. Another Mustang coming in, and then you know, you just see your row of Corvettes over there heading that way. Oh guys, look, we see a Mr. Chrome, a Cobra here. That looks pretty clean next to this huge lifted F-150. And oh look, a cute little puppy. And then we got this Pontiac. Look at that, guys. That's clean. GT350, Shelby GT500, another Shelby GT350, and another Shelby GT500. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, check out this classic one though, guys. See this? That's clean right there. Alright guys, we're just gonna go down the line. We got a couple C7s, C8s.
It's raffle time, ladies and gentlemen. Raffle time. Get your tickets out, gather around.
Pretty nice green Datsun. Another old school Porsche. Drop Charger. Two C5s. Another 350 with the bumper off. Like a needle in a haystack. There's a R8 over here. You wouldn't even seen it if you wouldn't have come over. Got another C7 going that way. Alright guys, that was it for the meet. I went through real quick. There was a bunch of cars, so hopefully I got y'all in it. If y'all are watching this, but there was just a ton. And I didn't want to make it too long of a video, so did my best. But there's a lot of cool cars that came, bunch of everything. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I haven't done a car show in a while just because of the cold weather, so I'm glad I was able to come out and get this one. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoy the stuff I create, and lots of stuff will be coming in the future hopefully. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you did enjoy the content on the channel, and just be waiting for more. Alright guys, thank y'all. Peace and have an awesome one.